Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. Got another Knuckleroller review for you today. And Damned Designs is back with their second iteration of their Knuckleroller. So this is the Flow V2. I previously reviewed the V1. It was the modular Knuckleroller with a lot slimmer center, right? So now it's back. And this is the V2. Immediately you can see that it embraces the much more, I guess you can say, traditional Knuckleroller shape, in that it does have that hourglass figure, as well as it's slightly thicker in the center than the previous V1 Knuckleroller. So it does feel a lot more like the good old Knucklebone. There's a quick size comparison to the round square Knucklebone, about the same dimensions. It does have that kind of bulbous end there, and it is flat on the end, so you can set it down and it stands up. And it is modular as well, like the V1, except this time it only comes with one extra set of ends, and they are slightly smaller. So let's switch these out real quick. I'll show you how it works. There's a thread on the inside, a little bit smaller in terms of the thread size. I don't think it's anything to be worried about, because when you have the ends screwed on, there shouldn't be any way of it, damaging or breaking. But it's definitely not as beefy in terms of the threads like the round square modular Knuckleroller, which I did a review on. So you can see the comparison there. See, these are like super heavy duty, right? So a little bit different, but anyways, get that out of the way. So here it is with the smaller set of tips. And again, here's a comparison to the round square Knucklebone, just a little bit smaller when you have the smaller set of tips on. And in terms of weight, with the smaller set of tips, this weighs in at 41 grams. And with the larger set, it is 55 grams. In terms of material, this is a titanium body with the titanium ends. It does have a machine finish. Now, these will be available for pre-order at the time of making this video. You can get the titanium with a sandblasted finish, and that's the more expensive model. There is an aluminum version that comes raw or anodized, and that is a much cheaper option. So yeah, you've got a lot to choose from. And already just looking at this Knuckleroller that was sent to me by Adrian over at Damned Designs, I already knew it was going to be a winner, just because it does embrace that traditional shape, and it feels great when you're manipulating the Knuckleroller. Has that nice weight to it, so it's not too heavy, not too light. And yeah, overall, really well made. There is the laser etched logo in the middle there. It is different in that it doesn't have the hole through the center like the previous modular Knuckleroller, so you can't use the ends as Big Larry. But that's fine. I didn't really use those tips as Big Larry anyway. They didn't. That was maybe more of like an afterthought. So just the way the ends are shaped, they weren't that great for Big Larry anyway. But yeah, this is another option for you guys to choose from in terms of Knucklerollers, and very affordable pricing too. I will give Damned Designs that, in that for a titanium Knuckleroller, it does come in a little bit cheaper than the round square, as well as cheaper than the round square modular Knuckleroller. So if price is kind of an issue for you, you can consider this one, because it does come in at a very fair price. But that's, your mileage may vary. In terms of the ends, I like that you can have this option of making it slightly bigger and smaller. It does make a difference in terms of the feel. For those of you that are experienced with different sizes of Knucklerollers, yeah, when you have a smaller one, it does feel a little bit more nimble, and you won't have the same maybe momentum for certain tricks, but it does feel a little bit different, and that's what I like, because that's the whole point of having these modular designs, so that you can kind of customize it to your mood or your style. And I like both. You know, it's kind of refreshing to, you know, be using one set of the knobs and then or the end pieces, and then you want to switch it up and go for something lighter. So yeah, a whole lot of fun, and very well made at the end of the day. This transition here is very nice. It's not you can't really feel the gap too much. This was a prototype though, so just be aware of that, and I'm sure the full production ones will be even better. So there it is, guys. Just a quick review of the Knuckleroller. You know, I could drone on, but I don't really think I need to say much else, because, you know, at the end of the day, these Knucklerollers tend to be, you know, similar in terms of their design. So it's really just a personal preference thing, you know, the look and the, you know, the price and, you know, the brand that you prefer. So, yeah, I love this V2 Knuckleroller. Gets a thumbs up from me. Good job to Damn Designs and Adrian over there. You guys are doing great work. And if you want to get one of these, they are available for pre-order as of right now. I'll put the link in the description box down below. There's a couple versions to choose from and different materials, so feel free to check that out. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review video, and I will see you on the next one.